Ever dreamt of meeting your ultimate K-pop bias, like in a scene straight out of a K-drama? What if you could actually talk to them in Korean? Today, KoreanFlashX is giving you the ultimate survival guide with 9 essential phrases for that unforgettable moment. You've waited years, practiced your fan chants, and finally, there they are. Your bias, right in front of you. What's the first thing you say? Let's make it count and leave a lasting impression. Hello. / how are you? The standard polite greeting. Essential for any first interaction with your bias or anyone you meet in Korea.
안녕하세요.
Now you try. Formal.
안녕하세요.
Casual.
안녕. 언녕. 안녕하세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 스마일 브라일리.
Watch your pronunciation. The H in is often very soft, almost silent, in natural speech. Don't make a hard H sound like in hat, it's more like a gentle breath. They would reply.
안녕하세요.
In K-drama, crash landing on US 1E1 at 3:15, Yoon Se-ri greets Ri Jong-hyuk for the first time. Nice to meet you. A polite and formal expression of pleasure upon meeting someone for the first time, especially someone you admire greatly.
만나서 반갑습니다.
Now you try. Formal.
만나서 반갑습니다.
Casual.
만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. 오르 만나서 반가워. 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. 안녕하세요. 네, 만나서 반갑습니다. 블러시 앤드 나드 리스펙트 펄리.
Watch your pronunciation, the B, in. At the end of a syllable, it's an unaspirated B sound. Close your lips gently without a strong puff of air, similar to a soft P sound. They would reply.
네, 저도 만나서 반갑습니다.
In K-drama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-ju S1E2 at 8:30, Bok-ju meets Young Jun-hyung's cousin for the first time. I'm a huge fan. Directly and politely expressing your strong admiration and status as a fan to your K-pop bias.
정말 팬이에요.
Now you try. Formal.
정말 팬이에요.
Casual.
진짜 팬이야. 진짜요 PAEN-i-e-yo. 정말 팬이에요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
만나서 반갑습니다. 정말 팬이에요. 아, 정말요? 감사합니다. 비밍 위드 프라이드.
Watch your pronunciation, the A vowel in, pain. It's pronounced like the in cat or apple, not pen or pan. Make sure your mouth is open wide enough. They would reply.
정말요? 감사합니다.
In K-drama, Record of Youth S1E4 at 22:10, saw Haejun's fans eagerly greet him at a promotional event. Now that you've broken the ice, it's time to convey your genuine feelings. Let them know how much they mean to you and the unwavering support you offer. I'll always support you. A heartfelt promise of continued support, often used at fan meets, concerts, or when wishing your bias well.
항상 응원할게요.
Now you try. Formal.
항상 응원할게요.
Casual.
항상 응원할게. 행상 이후엔 지원할지. 항상 응원할게요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
정말 팬이에요. 항상 응원할게요. 감사합니다. 힘이 돼요. 화이팅. 레이팅. You got this.
Watch your pronunciation, the ing sound at the end of young one. It's like the ing in sing or long, not a hard N or a G. Make sure it's a nasal sound. They would reply,
감사합니다. 힘이 돼요.
in K-drama, reply 1988 S1E19 at 45:00, Deok-sun and her friends cheer for Take during his go match. I love you. A very common and direct expression of love and affection from fans to idols. It's perfectly normal and expected in a K-pop fan context.
사랑해요.
Now you try. Formal.
사랑해요.
Casual.
사랑해. sa-RANG-hae. 사랑해요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
항상 응원할게요. 사랑해요. 저도 사랑해요. Internally screaming with joy.
Watch your pronunciation, the R/L sound in. It's a flapper sound, similar to the TT in American English butter or city. It's not a hard L or a rolled R. They would reply,
저도 사랑해요.
in K-drama, Goblin S1E16 at 1 hour and 5 minutes, Ji Eun-tak finally confesses her love to Kim Shin. Thanks to you, I'm happy. A deeper expression of gratitude, showing the positive impact your bias has had on your life and happiness.
덕분에 행복해요.
Now you try. Formal.
덕분에 행복해요.
Casual.
덕분에 행복해. 덕분에 행복해해. 덕분에 행복해요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
사랑해요. 덕분에 행복해요. 제가 더 행복해요. 감사합니다. TRI, feeling the connection.
Watch your pronunciation, the n, deok-BU-ne. It can sound like P at the end of a syllable, but it's an unaspirated B. Also, remember the ae in is like cat. They would reply,
제가 더 행복해요.
in K-drama, Startup S1E16 at 1 hour and 2 minutes, Seo Dalmi thanks Nam Doosan for all his support and making her happy. The moment is almost over, but you can't leave without a precious memory. How do you politely ask for an autograph or say a memorable farewell that leaves them smiling? Please give me an autograph. The standard and polite way to ask for an autograph, typically at a fan signing event.
사인 해주세요.
Now you try. Formal.
사인 해주세요.
Casual.
사인 해줘. SS인 해줘. 사인 해주세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
덕분에 행복해요. 사인 해주세요. 네, 여기에 해드릴게요. 감사합니다. 감사해맨아이다. 땡크유.
Watch your pronunciation, the double SS in. It's a tense, sharp S sound, not like the soft S in sing. Tense your tongue and lips when you pronounce it. They would reply,
네, 여기에 해드릴게요.
In K-drama, True Beauty S1E12 at 35:00, Lim Ju-kyung nervously asks an idol for an autograph. Please go carefully. / take care. A polite farewell used when someone is leaving, expressing a wish for their safety. Perfect for bidding farewell to your bias after an event.
조심히 가세요.
Now you try. Formal.
조심히 가세요.
Casual.
조심히 가. 조심히 가. 조심히 가세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
감사합니다. 조심히 가세요. 네, 조심히 들어가세요. Wave goodbye with a big smile.
Watch your pronunciation, the SI syllable. The S sound changes to a SH sound when followed by I. So, is pronounced like she, not C. They would reply,
네, 조심히 들어가세요.
In K-drama, Hospital Playlist S2E12 at 1 hour and 10 minutes, doctors politely say goodbye to each other after a long shift. Let's meet again next time. A hopeful and polite way to end an encounter, expressing a sincere wish to meet again in the future.
다음에 또 만나요.
Now you try. Formal.
다음에 또 만나요.
Casual.
다음에 또 만나. 다이오엠이 또 만나. 다음에 또 만나요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
조심히 가세요. 다음에 또 만나요. 네, 다음에 또 만나요. 감사합니다. Walk away, feeling like you're floating on air.
Watch your pronunciation. The M at the end of DUME is a clear M sound, closing your lips. Also, the double N in man-na-seo should be pronounced clearly as a distinct N sound. They would reply,
네, 다음에 또 만나요.
In K-drama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-ju S1E16 at 55:00, the main characters say goodbye, hinting at their future together. Quick quiz, imagine you've just met your K-pop bias for the first time. How do you politely say nice to meet you in Korean? The answer is man-na-seo ban-gap-SEUM-ni-da. Here's everything you learned today. And there you have it. 9 essential Korean phrases to make your K-pop bias interaction unforgettable. Ready to level up your Korean even further? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. Next time, we're diving into essential phrases for navigating the bustling streets and subways of Seoul. Until then, keep practicing, an-nyeong.